Good morning, friends. In last session, we were revising about the chapter 11, that is transportation in animal and plants. In last session, we have revised whole chapter, all the topics from that chapter, and closed it. In this session, we are going to start our new chapter from the physics part of our science, that is chapter 15, light. So in this session, we will study about all the basic concepts of the light, because this thing is very popular to you guys. This science, this the topic light is very popular to you, but maybe you have not studied about the science of light, science behind the light. So in this chapter we will study about it. You might have seen a beam of you might have seen a beam of sunlight when it enters a room through a narrow opening or a hole. So if you may have observed sometime that in rural area generally, okay, this there is no a straight filling, okay, or simply we can say the ceiling is not made up of cement. So cause of some holes from the ceiling, a shadow of light, okay, a beam of a sunlight will come to the room, will enter to the room, and you may observe some dust particle in it. You may have also seen beams of light from the headlamps of scooter. You can observe this one very regularly, okay. If you go to the market at night, okay, after 7 or 8 p.m. I can say headlamps of scooters, cars, and engines of trains. As you are given this figure 15.a, or sorry, 15.1a, here you are given some headlamps on the rail engine. Similarly, a beam of light can be seen from a torch. If you will start the torch, then you can see a beam of light for a high range. Some of some of you, maybe you may have seen a beam of searchlight from a lighthouse or from an airport tower. See, if you visited the lighthouse from our city, then you can see that after the evening, okay, as the evening start, okay, then maybe at 7 p.m. the light of the lighthouse, okay, this tower will be start. So you can observe this beam also. What do these experiences suggest? What is the reason for that one? Light only. Next topic is light travels along a straight line. To understand this topic, you are given an activity, okay, or in other words I can say you have already performed this activity in previous standard class 6. In that activity you have studied that at a lighted candle, first through a straight pipe and then through a bent pipe, as shown in figure 15.2. Here in this figure you can show you can see that in this figure A, the boy is observing, okay, observing or watching the candle, okay, or the flame of candle with the help of a straight pipe, okay. And in the figure B, The boy is watching the flame of candle with the help of a bent pipe. Okay. So what is the difference? We can observe. Now you are given that why was the boy not able to see the candle flame through a bent pipe? What is the reason? Because obviously that the, we can say, the rays of the light from the flame of candle must be in a straight manner only. These activities showed that light travels along straight lines. See, how can we change the path of a light? Do you know what happens when light falls on a polished or a shiny surface? Definitely it will get reflected only. Okay, and the example of these polished or shiny surfaces are, we can take the mirror as an example of this polished or shiny surface. Okay, because sometimes you can feel that this surface is polished. Okay, you can, if you will observe a surface polished, but if you will observe that surface with the help of a microscopic view or in simply zoom view, then you will observe that it will be irregular surface or rough surface only. So with this activity you can understand that the light can travels along a straight line only. In next session we will discuss about our next topic 15.2, that is reflection of light. That's it for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you.